Hi there, welcome back. And this is the analytics dashboard on the Bumpa web app. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the sales analytics and basically the information you see on your dashboard, helping you understand what each one of them means. Now, the sales analytics basically covers sales in general, your orders, the money you're making from your orders. So yes, just sales, right? And the first thing is that you can see here that there's a notification saying that gross and net profits are not shown, which would be here. But that's because you're not recording, or in this instance, cost price was not added to the products. So it is very important that we are uploading your products, you add your cost price and your selling price to help you track things like your gross and your net profit. So let's just take this out and then let's focus on this dashboard. Now, first thing to note is that you can filter by date, you can filter and compare data, but in another video, I'm going to break down how that works. But in this case, we have filtered from the 1st of January 2026 to December 31, 2026. So the first thing you can see is your total sales. So this is the amount you have made in total. Now note that this number is only accurate if you judiciously use your Bumpa web app or your Bumpa app in general to record your business information. So your orders and your products and all of that information. So this number is only fully accurate when you record all of that. So make sure that you do. But in this case, we can see the total sales, and you can see here that it says it was a 43% drop from last year. So if this was your dashboard, you would understand immediately that your business is not performing as great as it was last year, even though this, to be fair, is January to December. So you still have about 6 months. So this just helps you sort of like think through your, marketing strategies, what you're doing or what you should not be doing. But basically, that's the importance of, recording your orders and information and getting this data. Now you can hover over it to see particular months like this for each point. So you can see the particular months and you can see exactly how much each month has. And as you can see, June to December is still flat because we have not gotten to that time of the year yet. Next is your shipping spend. So you can see how much you spend on shipping if you record that information. Here would be net and gross profit, but because we don't have that recorded, we don't have that information here. Then here are your expenses. So you can actually record your expenses on your Bumpa app and it would show here immediately. So you can easily see how much you're spending on your business compared to, for example, how much profit you're making if you record your profit here. Then here we also have offline sales, which is different from total sales. So now it's split between offline and here online sales. So you can already see that, maybe offline sales is bringing in more money, but it's still a 37% drop from last year. In the compare data video, we're going to see actual comparison between 6 months or 1 year, and you would see whether with stuff like that, you can see how your business is performing in the same period compared to another period. So yes, here we have the online sales. You can see how your business is performing in terms of online sales and offline sales. And here you can see all the discounts, the amount that you've given in that period you chose. So you can see the amounts you've given out in discounts, and you can again see month on month. So here you can see your sales by channel. You can see how your business is performing by channel, which channel is bringing in the most customers and sales. And finally here, you can see your online store visits. That's your Bumpa website visits. So you can see now that you had a spike, for example, in May, and this information basically helps you think about, what happened in May? How do we recreate that so that we can get more online store visits? And that's basically it for the sales dashboard and sales analytics. In the next video, I'll be breaking down transactions. See you.